Drop it.
It's okay to say that a weak spot.
It's Hoodie Allen.
Always have to be on top.
What up, Arena? You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie, baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night shooting for the moonlight warring. Them hits come out as soon as you hit recording. Born in America, Chevy and Ford. But these Greek ladies loving me, they saying he's foreign. Floored them, glued the crowd down by they bootstraps. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler. But if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's a message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder.
Acting up and off lately. Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. But inside, just a It's okay to say that a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Better to be hated than
Lately, I've been staying on my grind like a skateboard. I got some rocket power now, so let's take off. We going hard over these beats, y'all